Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a refreshing detour from our usual content to dive into the world of a breakfast staple. Orange juice? That delicious sunshine in a carton drink we all know and love. But have you ever stopped to wonder, how exactly does that juicy goodness get from a sunny orchard to your fridge? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that's equal parts fascinating and surprisingly complex. The humble hero, the orange. Our story begins, of course, with the orange itself. These vibrant citrus fruits thrive in warm climates, with some of the biggest producers being Florida, California, Brazil, and Spain. Now, there are many different orange varieties, each with its own unique flavor profile. Valencia oranges, known for their thick skin and lower acidity, are popular for juice production. Navel oranges, on the other hand, are those seedless wonders perfect for snacking, though they can still be used for juice with some additional processing. Interestingly, oranges aren't native to Europe or the Americas. They originated in Southeast Asia, likely a hybrid of pomelos and mandarins. Thanks to trade routes, they eventually made their way around the globe, becoming a prized commodity for their refreshing taste and high vitamin C content. This citrusy goodness was initially enjoyed by the wealthy, but over time, as orange production increased, it became more accessible to the average person. The great squeeze, from grove to factory. So how do these beautiful oranges get transformed into the juice we love? The process starts with harvesting. These days, sophisticated machines have replaced the traditional hand-picking method. These mechanical marvels gently shake the trees, causing ripe oranges to fall onto conveyor belts. Skilled human pickers then ensure any missed oranges are collected, maintaining quality control. Next, the oranges embark on a journey through a massive factory. First, they undergo a thorough washing to remove dirt, debris, and any lingering pesticides. Imagine a giant shower for oranges. This ensures that only the cleanest fruit reaches the next stage. The juicing magic, separating pulp from liquid. Now comes the fun part, the actual juicing. There are two main methods, squeezing and reaming. Squeezing machines work a bit like giant hands, applying pressure to the oranges to extract the juice. Reaming machines, on the other hand, pierce the orange peel and spin it, separating the juice from the pulp. But wait, what about the pulp? That thick, fibrous part of the orange? Well, depending on the desired consistency, the juice might be filtered to remove some or all of the pulp. Some people prefer their orange juice with a bit of pulp for added texture and fiber, while others enjoy a smooth, pulp-free experience. The science of flavor, keeping it fresh and delicious. Extracting the juice is just one part of the story. To ensure a consistent and delicious product, manufacturers employ a team of scientists and flavor technicians. They test the juice for acidity, sweetness, and other essential elements. Sometimes, depending on the variety of orange and the desired taste profile. A small amount of concentrated orange juice might be added back to the batch to achieve the optimal balance. Freshly squeezed orange juice is fantastic, but it has a short shelf life. To ensure nationwide availability, manufacturers use a process called pasteurisation. This involves heating the juice to a specific temperature for a brief period to eliminate harmful bacteria without compromising flavor. It's kind of like giving the juice a hot bath to keep it safe for consumption. Packaging and distribution, the final journey. Now, our freshly squeezed or reamed and pasteurized orange juice is ready for its final transformation. It gets packaged in cartons or bottles, ensuring a convenient and sanitary way to reach your fridge. These packages are designed to protect the juice from light and air exposure, which can degrade its quality. Then comes the magic of logistics. Trucks and distribution networks ensure that this sunshine in a carton travels from the factory to grocery stores and ultimately straight to your breakfast table. Beyond the basics, exploring the world of orange juice. So that, my friends, is the basic journey of orange juice from grove to glass. But the world of OJ goes a little deeper than that. Let's explore some fascinating facts and delve into some of the choices you face when picking up that carton at the store. The great debate, fresh squeezed versus store-bought. The debate between fresh squeezed and store-bought orange juice is a heated one. Fresh squeezed undoubtedly boasts the purest flavor and retains the most nutrients, especially vitamin C. But it's a more time-consuming process and has a shorter shelf life. Store-bought orange juice, on the other hand, is convenient and readily available. It's also often fortified with additional vitamin C to compensate for any loss during processing. However, some store-bought options might contain added sugars or preservatives, which might not be ideal for everyone. Ultimately, the choice depends on your priorities. If you prioritize taste and maximum nutrients and don't mind the extra effort, fresh squeezed might be the way to go. But if convenience and affordability are your main concerns, store-bought options are perfectly fine, especially if they're fortified with vitamin C. The OJ label, decoding the information. Standing before a sea of orange juice options can be overwhelming. But fear not, because the label holds valuable clues. Here's what to look for. 1. 100% orange juice. This means the juice is pure, with no added sugars or concentrates. 2. From concentrate. This juice has been concentrated to remove water for easier transportation and storage. Water is then added back before packaging. 2. It's still 100% orange juice, but the concentration process might slightly affect the flavor profile. 3. Not from concentrate. This juice hasn't been concentrated, potentially leading to a slightly shorter shelf life but a fresher taste. 4. Pulp. Look for this if you prefer your juice with some pulp for added fiber and texture. 4. Pulp-free indicates a smoother consistency. 5. Added sugar. Be mindful of this if you're watching your sugar intake. 5. Some manufacturers might add sugar for sweetness. 6. Fortification. Look for this if you want your juice with additional vitamin C or other nutrients. By understanding these label details, you can make informed choices and pick the orange juice that best suits your taste preferences and dietary needs. The sustainable squeeze. Eco-conscious choices. In today's world, it's important to consider the environmental impact of our food choices. Orange juice production does have some environmental considerations like water usage and waste disposal. Here are some ways to make more sustainable choices. 1. Buy from brands committed to sustainable practices. Look for companies that use water-efficient irrigation methods and recycle waste from the juicing process. 2. Choose oranges grown locally. This reduces transportation emissions associated with long-distance travel. 3. Opt for glass bottles over cartons. Glass bottles are typically easier to recycle than cartons. By making these small changes, you can enjoy your orange juice knowing you're doing your part for the environment. The final sip, a toast to the humble orange. So the next time you reach for that carton of orange juice, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it's taken. From the sunshine-drenched groves to the sophisticated processing plants, it's a testament to human ingenuity and our love for this delicious citrus fruit. Whether you enjoy it fresh squeezed or store-bought, with or without pulp, orange juice is a refreshing and nutritious way to start your day. So raise a glass or a carton and toast to the humble orange, a gift from nature that brings a little bit of sunshine to our lives with every sip. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of orange juice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and informative content. And let us know in the comments below, what's your favorite way to enjoy orange juice? Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.